going on, guys? Today the Corsa is leaving. I know it's pretty nice muffler, but it's leaving. Someone offered me to buy it, so I mean, right now it's the holidays, so money kind of talks more. Just picked up these that we're putting back on there. These were the Black Widows that I had on there before I switched to the Corsa. We're gonna be cutting right there, and we're gonna be doing a full 3-inch back. Got my old exhaust tips that we're gonna be running again, and then this was the extra Corsa tip that I got a while back that I'm gonna be giving to him because the bottom of this one is kind of destroyed. So let's go meet up with him, and hopefully he likes it. He wanted to wait for me to take it off so he could hear it because he also has a cam. It's actually one of you guys. So yeah, let's go meet up with him. Hopefully he likes it. If he decides to get it, then we'll be putting on the Black Widows. If not, then I mean, we're gonna keep chopping along like this. So let's head on over there. Guys, so he ended up liking it, as you can see from the clip of his truck with the Corsa on it, but we got the Black Widows back on. After hearing his truck, I need to take off my high flow cats because his truck was so much louder compared to mine. So I think that might be the next exhaust mod that I'm gonna do. As far as changing the mufflers, I never sold these because I like these in the first place. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much be it for this video. Just listen to it. See, I set y'all up. That's gonna be it. Shout out to my man that came and picked up the Corsa. I know he's happy. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Until next time.